Big up Crosses TV.
One Crosses TV. Them know way. Don't play with Crosses TV. Ooh, cute. Look for my daughter, 2 picnics month out there. So my daughter them nice coat. Your daughter fuck out. Cause look for the big man out. She and her sister them. Look for my daughter them munch out there. You out there. You know your blood clot. Out there. You want some nice beautiful children them. Munch where you all coming like sextant. Munch where you go with your sextant all munch. Munch where you go with your sextant all. Eh? Munchie, my kids them nice, Munchie. But I ask Satan or him disciple, Munchie. It's my biggest son, the Munchie, them work. My son, the Munchie, me not do ugly settings, Munchie. Me not do ugly people, Munchie. Me not do ugly people like you, Munchie, if you have a mongrel dog. Just see me king there. See me first man come out of me nice Jojo old, Munchie. See me share me last man. Wouldn't you what you talk about? Fuck out. How dare you? Yes, see?
You hungry that?
That's yeah.
I more understand when Munchie me when she say she gonna lick you and Kimara gonna lick you. What that mean, Munchie?
The truth hurt, but it work, your blood clot, yo.
Munchie, if you know say your daughter never have a cocky or sucker your daughter a virgin, why you follow up the internet people them?
I remember I see you
Eh?
can't say my daughter them fuck out. Munchie, my daughter them fuck out, but you don't have a video with her and put no cocky in her mouth. And I take no cocky in her backside and I say, morning, good morning.
Night. Yeah.
Move your blood clot, your daughter have cocky upon her blood clot mouth.
Who's which one? The little girl?
Yeah.
So how much time you gonna talk about it? Yeah, there's a video. Why Munchie behave like that, Susie? If you don't see your daughter a
When
virgin,
she come with proof and she can't come with no proof.
Munchie a liar. Cause Munchie over there say the man noir and the man Clay tell pussy him never meet Munchie in our life. Yeah,
Hey,
only Pussy now go on with things.
Stop my cause. You know this AIDS body girl Munchie, she said when me come to Birmingham, she gonna beat me.
When we go to the club, we want to be turning.
Ram cause here on I'm a nice clean cause I'm a nice family in a real life. Oh one time she see me cause who she gonna beat me and her daughter gonna beat me.
Nah, she ain't gonna be enough with her. Don't worry about it.
No, she fool. She knows that the whole of my family them run Birmingham. It's a nice kind of my family. You know, so that girl in our life, cause hey, stupid or what? You ever see a girl on the line what are beating up for me?
No, we'll see any. Not gonna do.
That's shit, bro. Right yourself. I told my friends that she just see that she just love chat. And that's the thing. She don't understand that no girl can intimidate me. Talk about it.
Munchie I don't know.
Sometimes you just want to do it for the gram. If you're gonna do something, get me fuck up a girl or a boy, me not stand up because I don't want to give no girl. You keep me. Everybody, and the AIDS girl, you know, the AIDS girl in a Birmingham, make sure you make the man them know. So the AIDS body girl down there, you know. AIDS body Munchie never blessed, you know. You don't know her. May I send you the picture? May I send you the picture with her so you can send it to your friend and to make them beware of her. Ghana jail.
Nelly.
Nelly.
Neddy.
Yeah,
Call
Tom.
the data,
Yeah,
call
man,
the
tell me.
data X-Man.
Yeah, yeah. Him not really do roads, them I'm gonna know them. All right,
Yeah.
cuz.
All right, then. I'm not going to
Won't
food.
man put no so
All
much is
right,
a liar.
cuz. Love you.
Won't you put
Don't
close,
be
you know much is a
stinking,
liar.
girl. Right
Can't
the
talk about
old
all your
Munchie.
sister, but your
Munchie to
sister hate her.
Munchie just two me like problem, you know, Munchie. Don't be stinking, Munchie. Don't be stinking ears up on the blood clot, Munchie. The cocky way in your daughter mouth bigger than your foot. Eh? You go extra me come land cocky in your daughter mouth. Eh? Cocky jump on my phone. People send cocky on my phone with your daughter eat half balls and I eat half food, Munchie. And you as a mother, somebody reach out to you and tell us, say, what kind of picture them there? Before you do as a good mother, say, oh my God, you try to make a narrative. Oh, what me going to do about this? You come where people are like, when tell your daughter the panic. Your daughter mouth bigger than the cock in a blood clot. Remember your daughter tell it, and you know what line where you think you can't call the police for puppy tail or pity them. Call the police and make them go puppy tail yard. Go question the pity them. Tell the police them the things them. Munchie remember your little son cock up in batty in the ear and video in batty and said it go give a man, you know. And when Puppy Tail tell you as a friend, say Munchie, try find out a wish man that the little boy cock up
Oh
and
God.
video in batty too. And now you know do nothing about it, you're vexed with
He
Puppy
said
Tail.
all it.
Remember when Puppy Tail tell you say Munchie, your daughter cry to Puppy Tail, or them ears, she
You
ear to the
can't have
car,
a
hold
fun.
on
You
the
can't
echo.
sit
She
down
ear
there.
to because you make man Munchie. You make man. You make even last week, somebody else said, you make man come in, you bring in man, panel and them abuser. Just say abuse. So me just say the abuse or something drastic.
You're
Yeah,
right.
that's why she eat your Munchie. Your daughter talk it, and nobody make her up and tell her to say it. She tell her one little friend that that's why she always a cut up. Munchie, many people them know say daughter commit a cut up herself. Why? Make them know how much time your daughter try cut up herself, Munchie. Make them know how much time your daughter run with fry you carry your daughter a thief. Make your daughter talk every night you go away in a panty and lingerie and come back in a man clothes, man shirt. I let make your man them abuse her. Munchie go can lie. The truth hurt, but it blood clot work. I don't understand a mama pussy cocky blood clot. Oh, when you not tell me the things them, me not upset, I me not want to fight nobody, and me not want to do nobody nothing. Why not? I don't care, because I don't want to not tell the truth. I not tell the truth, so why would I mad? So why you mad, sir?
Munchie me a feature house.
Munchie where you put the gold coming like blood clot elevator. So it go up with a blood
Come
clot come down. Munchie
down.
your pussy is like a running blood clot train. Munchie move your blood clot cause you pussy want Maccabee Bible. You need to put up some Maccabee Bible in your blood clot pussy. How would you put the Maccabee Bible to read Psalms 3? How you read Psalms 100? How you just read Psalms the blood clot? How would you leave stop off of Psalms you go Revelation? Move your blood clot, your pussy coming like Revelation. Blood clot. Outside, dirty blood clot, girl. Munchie be a liver spot upon your tongue. Lord God, girl, come. Can't get to rub it up together. I've been waiting from evening till them drop asleep, you know. Alright, come, babe, come. Munchie, and the share go stay there, she not go back on me. Come on, Nana, come, Nana. Come, baby, come. Come, Tutti, come, Tutti.
Miss want sit Where she has to me not have no feature. Me say Munchie, my feature house. My feature money. My feature all them good things there so nobody can come say my broke in them house. My feature all of the good things them Munchie me no own a body Munchie. My feature all of them good things there so nobody can ring my phone and say me owe them the 650, no 250. And nobody can't tell me say give them 3 and left back the rest for your next time Munchie. All of them things them my feature, my financial life Munchie. Me while now look up in a pussy we and a minds and a show pussy we and a minds Munchie. Me feature upon something different. Me feature my nice clean good up body over here some Munchie. Nice clean good up body. I'm a nice natural body over here so my thick body over here so when you can't show no pussy we and the minds over there to have a feel no way Munchie, but you have to feel a way because your little girl a suck off the body like oh you did that suck off the 2-man cocky. The little girl bend down and say she had the queen of blood clot so cocky. Me say cocky pan her forehead. You over there show forehead? Me see so cocky pan your daughter forehead. Me see it pan her mouth. Me see it pan her lip. Me see it all about
I'm
her
here,
flap
say
in
more
her
than one
face.
somebody wants to do. Because the little boy say what they say. I'm more than one video out and more than one picture.
Munchie, the time you have feature blood clot pussy on the mind, you
Oh,
walk and
tell
collect
me daughter
every
them
video
fuck
with your
out
little girl are
Munchie.
so
When you
cocky.
come to
And that you have to
the
do.
fuck out argument with me dad, you see me I tell you, you know. Them always a cuss people pitney. You see it? Me a cuss you, you know. Me say me not you that cuss the little pitney. Me a cuss you. You gonna come talk with me daughter them stuck with and fuck out. When I hear that I come out with that video and mess up my cocky, we a chop that up a cocky Munchie. Your daughter pussy clitoris run left her body at a tender age. And you are gonna come tell me about my daughter. Munchie, oh you know say me daughter old fuck out. Yeah, come here, you think so you can't tell me that for hurt me, bitch. Me just gonna tell you, say me I gonna deal with your daughter the same way you deal with it. Any girl bring down my pity them, me I bring down back. Me no want no girl. Nobody tell me no cut. Me even cuss the pity me just gonna talk the truth. So me not lie
Could have
because me
over
see the picture
TikTok parodies today, though. That's why
and
I
the
touch up
video.
your blood
Yeah,
clot
go come
over
talk
there,
about it.
John Crow.
Me see me doing it from last week. Oh, put 2 daughter them fuck out and them all big and them that but Munchie your daughter couldn't even hold it in her. That hold it in her mouth and it's still big for her. It's still too little for her mouth. Eh? Where you say Munchie? We must have battery dolly then call it daughter Birmingham. Battery dolly. Nice little girl you must up her future. Eh?
Till I
Dirty
reach over the
stinking girl.
school.
No
When I
girl
say
now cost out me. You do it last week and you do it the week before you keep doing it. Push that of them fuck out of them all big. So me gonna tell you now, thank God. When me talk is true and nothing but the truth. Your daughter, video round with your daughter with that big 18-inch food in her mouth. The way the food big. And 2 jack can of them a puff like puffy the beer and the hood head and the way you lick down the hood head and swallow the sperms. Where you have to look up at the boy face.
I wish you see her mama do. You
Me
know, see
hold
what she
on,
are looking at little
hold on
another
there, hold
boy
on there before me
face.
get this track, bro. Give me a little minute. Remember say you son me a video yo. The video you dip on the tape when puppy tail look on it, you know. When I son store, you know, cause I'm store puppy tail son, you know. Remember your son me a video you naked, I stuck hood, you know, in your bed, you know, sleep, you know, your man stuck hood and stop asleep, you know. Munchie, come on, man.